Happy Friday, third graders! I wanted to make a quick new video just to remind you guys how to do your Friday homework. I know we have a couple new students from Mrs. Lopez's class and a couple new students to Side Creek, so I wanted to give you a quick refresher of how to do your homework on Fridays. Remember, the rule is you do need to finish your homework by the end of Friday. You could do it Friday morning, Friday afternoon, or even Friday night. If you need a little bit of extra time, just send me a quick dojo message or a message on our Google Meets and let me know you need a little bit more time. First things first, we're going to go to our classroom website, just like always. We're going to click up here at the top where it says homework. Remember, today you have two pieces of homework to complete. You have your Unit 2 Week 1 Wonders test and your Unit 2 Week 1 spelling test. It doesn't matter to me which one you do first. It's completely up to you. First things first, I'm going to show you how to log in to our Wonders test. Today you will take your Wonders test online, find Unit 2 Week 1. You have 8 vocabulary questions and 5 reading questions. You can definitely use any notes you have taken about your vocabulary words on this test. So just scroll on down and click where it says Wonders Test. When you do click on Wonders Test, it will ask you to log into Google, and you need to find your email address. Today I'm going to be borrowing Caden's. Put in your secret password and click Next. Once you've logged into Clever, slowly yet surely you'll look for this button that says McGraw-Hill. It's a red button. I like to keep the red heart on it so that it always pops up in the top. If it's not here at the top, just scroll on down, find that McGraw-Hill button, put that red heart on it so it always pops up here at the top, and click on it. Next, you're going to go ahead and wait for it to load and then find your Clever book, our Wonders book, our Camel book. Scroll on down. You should see it right here at the bottom, and it should say Launch. Once you click the launch button, your camel should pop up, but I know sometimes it'll pop up and say Miss Lopez, Miss Miley, Miss Reynolds. Of course, you're going to find Miss Reynolds and enter. Today, you're going to go here to this button that says Read. Read. The reason we're going to go to Read first is so that we can open our book called Road Runner's Dance. You'll notice it's up here now at the top of my screen. You're going to want to use this book for your test. I'm now going to click back to my Wonders, exit out of my book, and go to my To Do button. Once you get to Do, you're going to go to My Tests. And underneath, you should see the tests that are loading. You'll notice Caden has finished 5 of his tests, but his new one is for today that says Take Now. Don't worry, Caden, I'm not going to take your test for you, even though I know you both would do amazing. Caden's going to click on this Take Now button, and so will you. The first 8 questions are going to be about your vocabulary words, The next 5 questions are going to be here about your Roadrunner book. So, for example, if it asks you, what does Desert Woman say when all of the people need her help, you can come to this page and find out. Maybe it asks about what kind of things the different animals gave. You can come to this page and find out. Maybe the question asks, how does the story end? You can go to this page and find out. Then you can go back here and answer your test question. Once you have submitted your test, you will automatically find out how you did by a score popping up here. If it doesn't pop up automatically, just click on My Tests again and you'll see it there. Now you are done with your Wonders test. Pause the video if you want to take it now, or keep watching to find out how to take your spelling test. You're going to click back here to our classroom and click on homework and come down here. Spelling tests are a little bit tricky because there are 2 buttons you're going to need to click on today. The first button is for taking your spelling test. The second one is for entering your score. First, click on Take Your Spelling Test, and this new Spelling Vocabulary City will pop up. You'll simply click play and take your test. Remember, don't peek at your words. Once you get it done, I want you to count up how many you got correct, not how many you got wrong, and not your percentage. Maybe you got 18 words correct. You're going to need to come back here to our Google Classroom. Click here where it says enter your score and do just that, enter your score. Of course, you're going to need to put in your name. I'm going to type mine right here, first name and last name with capitals. I'm going to type in how many I got correct. I got 18 correct. And then at the bottom, I added a secret color question just to kind of make you smile today. At the bottom, put down what is your favorite color. I like to learn about you guys, and I like to share things about myself, so I hope you answer that question as well. When you're finished, you simply press the Submit button, and you're set to go. Great work. I'm so proud of you for finishing your 6th third grade spelling test. Have you finished your Wonders test too? Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. Let me know if you need help with any of your homework today, my friends, and have a great weekend. Remember, school starts back on Tuesday.